Hey everyone, welcome back to Hollow Point Defense. Got a new thing in this week. It's the Timney Triggers, for the flat face trigger for the competition series for the Smith & Wesson M&P. It is for the 1.0s and the 2.0s. Starting price was $179, but I found an online coupon for 30 bucks off. I believe it was, you put in the code backcountry, I think is what it was. It gives you 30 bucks off. So it dropped it down to 149, which isn't too bad, but a lot more expensive than the other triggers, but I really like this one more than the other brands out there. One reason is they virtually gave you all the tools to do this with the exception of a rubber hammer, which I have dozens of those in these 10 different boxes. But they give you everything. The slave pin in it, I noticed, and theirs is aluminum. And it's got a notch in it, so when you put the slide stop and the trigger bar and the trigger spring all together and you put that slave pin in, that notch holds the spring right there perfectly. So when you put in your pins right here, it goes right through, no problem. I mean, it's you couldn't get any better than that. Some of these other companies use like a plastic or a rubber one. I've had issues with those, because they don't hold everything perfect. This one did. One shot, I had it in there. Start to finish, 10 minutes of it done. But I did like their products. I'm gonna go out and shoot this tomorrow. But if you have any questions on it, please post them below. Like I said, 10 minutes, I had this thing taken apart, put back in there, and reassembled. It's fairly easy. If you're in the Phoenix or Buckeye areas where I'm at, let me know. If you get one, come on over. We'll put it together and let you go. I really don't care. It's pretty easy. For me, it is. But I wouldn't suggest to do this trigger for the average person that hasn't taken the gun apart or really doesn't know how it comes apart. I wouldn't suggest you do it. Find you an armor somewhere. It's probably going to cost you 40, 50 bucks on some of these, maybe more, I don't know. And have them do it. Literally 15 minutes, you'll give it to them, you get it right back. There's no reason for them to keep it overnight unless they're really busy, but it's a very short, quick job. If you were to pull up in my driveway, I could probably have you gone in less than 15 minutes. But anyways, all that aside, I think you'll like the trigger. It's real smooth. I mean, the wall on it is very short. Come back here, there's a wall, boom, come back, there's a wall. I mean, it's very, very short. I haven't fired it yet. I will be doing that tomorrow morning. And I'll let you know on a comment below how it goes. I don't expect it to be anything different than any other, but I want to see how smooth that trigger is for me. This one is actually a 3 pound. It went from 4.6 to 4.5 down to 3 pounds. I haven't measured it yet. I will tomorrow. But if you have any questions on it, let me know. Again, just in a nutshell, Timney Triggers, it's the competition series. If you want to get one, I would suggest that they're a really nice trigger, but let me know what you think about them. If you have them, let me know what your thoughts on it. I'm just curious. It's the first Timney I've ever had, but the way this one went in, I probably will get another couple. You guys have a good day.